Visit us on onestepenglish.com.
Grammar Quiz. Part 3.
Let's apply your knowledge.
Hi. Today, we are going to have a quiz about sentences and non-sentences.
So, grab your pencil and paper, and let's get started.
Good luck.
Number 1. Which of the following is a sentence? Letter A. Several people help. Letter B. The people who help. Letter C. Helping each other. The correct answer is letter A. Several people helped.
Number 2. Which of the following is a sentence? Letter A. Being a frontliner during this pandemic. Letter B. Health professionals who took an oath to serve. Letter C. Our doctors and nurses are brave frontline fighters. The correct answer is letter C. Our doctors and nurses are brave frontline fighters.
Number 3. Which of the following is a sentence? Letter A. Offering assistance to those in need. Letter B. Offer assistance to those in need. Letter C. Offered assistance to those in need. The correct answer is letter B. Offer assistance to those in need.
Number 4. Which of the following is a sentence? Letter A. Maria clapped 100 times. Letter B. Clara was picking. Letter C. John likes a sweet. The correct answer is letter A. Maria clapped 100 times.
Number 5. Which of the following is a sentence? Letter A. A pretty doll. Letter B. Is going to the zoo. Letter C. The cat chased the rat. The correct answer is letter C. The cat chased the rat.
Number 6. Is this a sentence or a non-sentence? Henry and Benny. Letter A. Sentence. Letter B. Non-sentence. The correct answer is letter B. Non-sentence.
Number 7. Is this a sentence or a non-sentence? The leaves are changing in the fall. Letter A. Sentence. Letter B. Non-sentence. The correct answer is letter A. Sentence.
Number 8. Is this a sentence or a non-sentence? What a beautiful picture. Letter A. Sentence. Letter B. Non-sentence. The correct answer is letter A. Sentence.
Number 9. Is this a sentence or a non-sentence? Went to the store. Letter A. Sentence. Letter B. Non-sentence. The correct answer is letter B. Non-sentence.
Number 10. Is this a sentence or a non-sentence? Goes to the movies every weekend. Letter A. Sentence. Letter B. Non-sentence. The correct answer is letter B. Non-sentence.
Number 11. Which is a non-sentence? Letter A. She loves to eat candies. Letter B. Gab tried his best to win the contest. Letter C. Mike wrote a beautiful. The correct answer is letter C. Mike wrote a beautiful.
Number 12. Which is a non-sentence? Letter A. My family and I went to the mall. Letter B. Gabby and Mike making a huge. Letter C. Ashley bake a delicious cake. The correct answer is letter B. Gabby and Mike making a huge.
Number 13. Which is a non-sentence? Letter A. Go to movies. Letter B. Hannah climbed the tree to get the kitten. Letter C. Maine walked with her favorite pet. The correct answer is letter A. Go to movies.
Number 14. Which is a non-sentence? Letter A. The red shoes that my bought for me don't fit. Letter B. My mom bought them for me. Letter C. The red shoes that my mom bought for me. The correct answer is letter C. The red shoes that my mom bought for me.
Number 15. Which is a non-sentence? Letter A. I wanted to go to school today, but I was too tired. Letter B. Goes to the movies every weekend. Letter C. The storm caused a flood. The correct answer is letter B. Goes to the movies every weekend.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.